Alright, so this is the Lennox gas furnace running in cooling mode on an 84-degree day. Keeping the house 73. There's the air conditioner right up here, the carrier. There are the lines and the condensate drain. The vent stack, stuff. It's working great. This is a 2005 two-stage variable speed blower Lennox gas furnace, 75,000 BTU input, 80% efficiency. 75,000 BTU input on high stage heat, 53,000 on low stage heat, so yeah. Now the blower's set to high speed on cool mode, and it's running at high now, so yeah. And this is extremely quiet. I'm about 10 feet away, 8 feet away or so. Yeah, and I turned off the dryer for the making of this video, so I gotta turn this back on. But anyways, that's that. Let's go look upstairs. It's 68 downstairs here. And it's 73 up here. 73 degrees set. Alright, that's that. Thank you for watching.